In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide posts from someone on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, all you need to do, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to your account or to create an account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So first of all, if you want to hide posts from someone, of course, you'll need to have a post first on your profile. How can you do that? It's simply, just go and click at your profile icon down there at the bottom right corner. Let me just change my account real quick to show you in this account. So, as we said, we want to hide a post from someone. And as we said, if you are not posting any posts, all you need to do, just go and click at the plus icon on the top right corner. If you click on that, all you need to do, just go and create a post. Then, as you can see, maybe just post this photo and click at the flash at the top right corner. Then, if you want to edit maybe your post or whatever, then click at the flash again. Then here, as you can see, here we have the advanced settings. Here you can maybe hide like and views from your posts, or turn off comments, or maybe even share your posts at Facebook if you have connect Facebook with your Instagram. Here you have advanced settings, so maybe if you want to tag someone or add a location. So maybe if you finish all of that, all you need to do, just click on the check mark and your post will be posted. Just go back again on your profile, refresh. As you can see, here is the post. So now how can we hide our post from someone? All I need to do, just go here. Then if you want to hide the post, just go and click on the three lines on the top right corner. If you click on that, all you need to do now is just go and click at settings. Then all you need to do, just search for privacy. Maybe if you don't find it, just go to search and type privacy. Privacy, as you can see, here is it. And here all you need to do, just turn on this private account. So if you switch to private accounts, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can tag or mention or message you. So people can still tag you or mention you, but people who are not following you cannot be or cannot see your posts. So if I switch to private, let me just switch it here right quick. So as you can see, if I click on switch to private, it will not check this option. As you can see, I have just an error, but if you click here at private accounts and click at switch private, it will work for you. Because maybe I don't have any followers in my account, just dismiss that. Because I don't have any followers, that's why it will not, I will not be able to put my profile at private. But if you do have just some followers and you want them to only want to see your posts, all you need to do, just go turn as private, and that will be it. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.